order to make $10,000 a month, you need an income stream that can make you $350 per day. And this is way more in reach than you may think. Today, I'll be showing you some of the most boring AI business models out there. And they might be boring, but they're making some people over $1,000 per day. Tons of people are starting these businesses after watching my YouTube channel and trying things themselves, and they've been getting crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? And the best part is, it's never been easier to start thanks to the power of AI. You can also start this with zero to little money. And this doesn't require any special skills, so you can start as a complete beginner. If you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Isabella, and I became a self-made millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. I'm dedicated to helping you guys by not only giving you ideas, tools, but also free courses so you can literally go step by step and be successful even as a complete beginner. Boring business idea number 1 is AI niche online stores. Over 2.6 billion people worldwide shop online, which is 33% of the global population. And this number increases year by year with no signs of slowing down. I want you to get a piece of this. And it's way easier than you probably think to actually start. I found this AI tool, which literally builds you a fully functioning online store packed with winning products so you can start selling right away. And the best part of this is you don't have to do any of the actual product shipping or have any of these products on hand. The supplier will do all the work for you and you keep the profits. I linked this free AI tool down in my description box below so you guys can click through that link. Once you click that link, it's gonna bring you to this page. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, pick your niche. You could pick fashion and apparel, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or choose I'm not sure for a random one. Even if your exact niche that you've selected isn't exactly listed, you can just pick the closest match. And this is through Shopify, which Shopify with that link gives you 3 months for only $1 a month. After you have followed these steps within minutes, you now have your done for you online store ready to go. You guys, look how amazing this website looks. It is just so crazy that an AI built this fast. And you will see that it even comes with winning products added. You can start selling these products right away. And again, you don't have to actually hold this inventory and there's no shipping hassle required. All of this is done through AutoDS. And you'll see right here in this step-by-step process where you can sign up for AutoDS. And by using this link, you'll get 30 days for just $1, so you can actually try it out before you start. In case you're wondering what AutoDS actually is, let me go ahead and show you. As you can see, it's an all-in-one tool that helps you find products to sell, connects you with fast shipment suppliers, and automates your entire dropshipping journey. They've got a huge online product marketplace with fast shipping times. These are the 3 main research sections that I personally use. You have the handpicked product section, which is a curated list by AutoDS e-commerce experts. The ads by, where you can see active TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads that are working right now and getting sales for people. There's also the trending products tab, which shows you what's hot in the market. And inside the handpick tab, you can filter by the country you're shipping to, prices, and by product categories. If you hit the fast shipping button, you can literally see these shipping times are so fast, guys. Some of these shipping times are literally 2 days. So it's connecting you with actual good suppliers that also ship fast. And they update this daily, so you'll never run out of ideas. One of my favorite parts about this is if you click a product example, you can immediately see the target audience, the pricing and profit margins, and you can see competitors that are selling that particular product. They also have this ad spy tool, and this feature lets you spy on real ads that are currently running on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You get to see what's trending, what's performing, and get inspiration for your own store. And like I said, this is all automated. So basically how it works is when you get a sale, your supplier will ship it straight to the buyer, and you don't have to touch a single thing. If you want to actually brand your products, they have a section for that as well here. So you can literally grow your store into a full brand and then even sell it someday. I actually made an entire free course all about how to start a successful niche store like this, step by step, so you guys can really get an understanding of it in much more detail. I'll link that free course for you guys down in my description box below. Boring business idea number 2 is going to be selling digital products, except you don't have to write a single thing. Digital products are one of the best automated, boring businesses because you literally have to build it one time and then you can continue to sell that one digital product over and over and over again for the next 5 to 10 years. The newest AI tool that everybody is gatekeeping for digital products is actually this one called Trend Assist AI. This AI tool will help you launch a profitable digital product without spending months building it. Trend Assist AI is way more than just a trend research tool. It's a full digital product builder, as you guys can see here, that literally takes care of the entire process for you. It finds exactly what's trending on the market. It helps you build your digital product from scratch, ebooks, templates, printables, you name it. And it even creates marketing content that you can use to start promoting and selling the product immediately. So if you guys go to trendassist.ai or just click the link in my description box below, it will bring you to this page. And you guys can make an account here, and once you're in, it's going to show you this. We can ask it, hey, what are the top trending digital products for this year? And it will pull up a whole list for us. Then we can narrow down that list and ask it something more specific. For example, say you are a mom that has developed a lot of mindset hacks that you want to share with other moms that has helped you become a better mom. You can ask the AI, I'm a mom that teaches other mindset hacks for moms. Give me 10 trending digital product ideas for this niche. And you can see here, it gave us so many ideas that we can use. And then again, narrow it down again. I want to make an ebook because I do think ebooks are best for beginners. Give me 10 trending title ideas for an ebook about mindset hacks for busy moms. Now we can see that this digital product ebook ideas are narrowed down even more. I love this one right here, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks one. So now let's ask it again. We're gonna go ahead, just copy and paste the favorite one and say, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living sounds good. Now can you write the ebook for me? And in seconds, it will write you an entire ebook on this topic. Then you're gonna go down here and pick one of the digital product templates in this section to get your professional looking digital product done in minutes. Then you can use the Instagram assistant. You can see it can generate tons of marketing strategies for you and even creates your social media posts, writes captions, ads, and promotion scripts so you can launch it and start marketing right away. That way you go from idea to product to ready to market in literally minutes. If you guys want to learn how to sell digital products step by step, how to build your digital product, how to blow it up on social media and get sales without showing your face, and so much more, I actually made a free course for you guys about digital products as well, which I will link down in my description box below for you guys. In my description box, I also have an entire playlist called How to Get Sales, which shows you no matter what type of online store you're trying to build or what business you're trying to build, that playlist will give you so many helpful tips to helping you guys grow your businesses organically without having to buy a single ad. You already know when I first started, I literally got 0 sales my first month, and my second month in, I had a $20,000 month because of one viral post. And that's what I'm dedicated to teaching you guys. And I started completely faceless as well. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieInBiz, BaddieInBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business ventures, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.